Embrace your uniqueness. Imagine being able to understand how your body reacts to your environment, knowing what exercise are best for you. Are you more susceptible to getting muscle and joint injuries and how to prevent them? Is your training schedule having positive effect on your body? Is it strengthening your immune system or actually putting more stress on you? Do you have to worry about osteoporosis or osteopenia in the future? Does your body break down bone matrix faster than it's actually rebuilding? You will get answers to all of those questions in your genetic report. Imagine getting dietary and lifestyle recommendations based on your unique genetic makeup. No more try this or that because it worked for someone else. No. Instead, everything based on how your body is designed. And I promise you, there will be several aha moments.